Blocking someone on Peacock can help you manage your viewing experience and interactions. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Open the Peacock app. Launch the Peacock app on your device or visit the Peacock website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your account icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access privacy settings. In your account settings, look for the privacy or security section. This is where you can manage your interactions and block users. Step 4. Find the user to block. Scroll through a list of connections or interactions to find the user you wish to block. You may need to search for their username or profile. Step 5. Block the user. Once you locate the user, click on their profile and select the option to block them. Confirm your choice if prompted, and the user will be blocked from interacting with you. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Peacock and enhance your viewing experience. If you have any further questions, feel free to consult the help section of the Apple website.